Are you brushing your teeth? Show Grandma you know how to brush your teeth. No, stay out of the cupboard. Mimi. No. Here. Bubbles in the bowl. Here. Brush your teeth real good. Show Daddy you know how to brush your teeth like a big girl. Brush them. Brushing, brushing. Brushing my teeth like a big girl. Want some bubbles in the bath? I just took her hair out of a ponytail, so it's a little... No bubbles in there. So stupid. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. There's some bubbles. Here, brush your teeth for Daddy. Here, stand back there a little bit. Back up right there. Now brush your teeth. Show Daddy how good you are at it. Say, this is how I brush my teeth, Daddy. I'm a good... Got your teeth clean. No, leave that alone while you're brushing. There's a bubble in the sink. Stay focused. There's some bubbles. You done brushing your teeth? You can have it after you're done with your teeth. Thunder. Did you hear the thunder? Here, stand back there. If you're brave. Are you brave enough? Thunder. Her hair's a little wild.